Welcome back to my channel Yantra Rakshana. I will explain how to arrest intercooler tube leakage step by step with proper pressure testing and dummy plug fixing method. After completing the intercooler assembly, connect the intercooler inlet water connection to a hand pressure pump. Keep the intercooler outlet valve in closed condition. Close the inlet water supply valve. After closing the inlet supply water valve, now pressurize the intercooler using a hand pressure pump. Observe the pressure gauge carefully. Any pressure difference. If there is a pressure variation or a drop indicates in leakage. Check the bottom side of the intercooler and identify the exact leakage location. Continuously pressure difference in the pressure gauge. After identifying the leakage, dismantling the intercooler. Connect the intercooler to the puller frame. Match the cooler jacking boards with the puller frame. Tighten the nuts on the jacking bolts. When you tighten the puller bolts, the cooler casing moves downward and the cooler core comes upward direction. Carefully remove the cooler from the intercooler casing. Mark the leakage tube at both the air inlet and air outlet side, top and bottom. By using a digital vernier caliper to measure the tube diameter, the tube diameter is exact 22 mm. Preparing dummy plug length is 16 mm. Prepare a proper taper dummy plug with the following dimensions. Top diameter of the dummy plug is 22.5 mm. Bottom diameter of the dummy plug is 21.5 mm. Length is 16 mm. Taper difference is 1 mm. Ensure proper machining and smooth finishing for tight fitting. Fixing the dummy plug with epoxy. Mix the equal parts of resin and hardener. 2-part epoxy. Mix the equal part of resin and hardener. 2-part epoxy to mix with properly to black gray color. Up to mix the black gray color to comes. Apply a thin layer of epoxy around the dummy plug. Insert the dummy plug tightly into the leakage tube. Remove excess epoxy from outside. Leave it from minimum 8 hours from full curing. Repeat the same procedure on the both the top and bottom sides of the leakage tube. Apply a thin layer of epoxy around the dummy plug. Insert the dummy plug tightly into the leakage tube. After fixing the dummy plug, the tube leakage is arrested. To remove the excess epoxy from the outside. After fixing the dummy plug, reassemble the intercooler completely. Conduct the pressure test again. Pressurize the intercooler up to 5 bar. Pressurize the intercooler up to 5 bar. Observe for 1 to 2 hours. If there is a no pressure drop, no leakage observe and pressure hold steady 5 bar. The intercooler is in good condition and ready for operation. Observe the leakage in the bottom side clearly. Procedure of inserting dummy plug. Rough the both copper surface using emery paper. Clean with thinner acetylene. Remove oil fully. Mix the equal parts of resin and hardener. Apply a thin layer around the dummy plug. Insert tightly inside the tube. Leave minimum 8 hours to 24 hours for full cure. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe to Yantra Rakshana for more maintenance and repair technical videos. Thanks for watching.